Okay, so let me cite you an example of an idiomatic expression that I'm sure 90% you'll encounter this in the language test. For example, give a hand. So just explain it in your own sentences. Like, just pretend that you are explaining it to a student who is a non-native English speaker. So how will you able to explain it to that student and make sure that they would understand it? So just as simple as give a hand is an idiomatic expression which means to help a certain individual or other people who are in need. It could be financially, emotionally, or with a certain task. When you are able to give a hand to other people, it means to say you're able to help them. Okay. For example, instead of saying I want to be there and help those people who were affected by the calamity, you can also say I want to be there and give a hand to those people who were affected by the calamity. So you can just replace the phrase to help by the idiomatic expression give a hand. So that's it, as simple as that, and I'm sure that you'll be able to pass that language test. And yeah, good luck.